case if anybody's wondering the authenticity of this, is today's date and the time. I'm supposed to be going to Nova Scotia on 8/15. We're supposed to be driving away in this car. So, I have 13 days from this. No wiring, no heater, no interior, no paint. That's just the paint that the floor came in. But everything has to be painted. Everything is all stripped back apart. I'm still going to strip the whole rear end down. I gotta replace U-joints, clean it up, replace the brakes and all that. Excuse me. Got a Y wheel, clean the frame down, paint that. Y wheel everything on the underside, all the welds, all the seams, seam seal what needs to be seam sealed, prime, and paint something under here. And then reassemble all this. I got new brakes for the front. I'm gonna media blast all the aluminum control arms. And still gotta do a bunch to the motor, rear main seal, bolt the flywheel back in, all that stuff, transmission pan, gasket, fluids, valve cover gaskets, valley pan gasket, intake gasket, swap out the water pump, deal with all the accessories, clean down the motor, clean down the tranny, and reassemble. Then all the plumbing, fuel system, brake lines, dash, cluster, steering column, steering linkages, motor tranny, all the wiring throughout the whole car. There's not a stitch of wiring in it except for one piece. A little piece of wiring hanging over there. That factory interior light. I'm probably gonna make that work just for fun. But yeah, I got a pile of parts out here, pile of parts in the booth, and a lot of work left to do. So wish me luck. 13 days ain't a lot of time when I gotta work Monday through Friday, 8 to 7. So that's it. 13 days and counting. Hopefully I can do it. I doubt it. I'm sure almost everybody else doubts it, but either way I want to get the car done. So whether I get it done in 13 days or 30 days, it is what it is. But I'd really like to have it done in 13 days and drive to Nova Scotia and have the fun and the satisfaction of the trip. But anyway, like I said, wish me luck. Talk to you later.